start with, so the first one, he has spent, of course, almost his entire working life in the automotive industry. He has worked at different levels at companies like Bajaj, Maruti, Hyundai. He was the leader at Nissan. और advisory council एक हमारी है जहाँ पे जाता है, we do our discussion. Interestingly, the Auto Expo which went by, we were there. As I say, the market gives you the best feedback, and without anyone's asking the dealer fraternity, by chance we were with a lot of dealer fraternity friends, and that जिनको अभी हम यहाँ लाने वाले हैं, he has already left that organization. उन्होंने उनके बारे में इतनी अच्छी बातें बोली. वो कहते हैं बॉस, OEMs में एक बंदा है ना जो सही में हेल्पफुल है, जो सही में डीलर के साथ खड़ा होता है, जो एकदम क्लीन बंदा है, मतलब so nice and genuine, वो ये है यार. And that happened to, also happened to be there. And that's not the only reason. And then हमारे discussions हुए, rounds हुए, advisory council. So it was all getting corroborated. So for that, so the first gentleman who's coming on stage for his contribution to the global automotive mobility industry at India and the world, it is none other than Mr. Arun Malhotra ji.
Well, I'm overwhelmed. So thanks, World Auto Forum, for honoring me. A lot of people ask me how old I am. I only tell them one thing. I started my career 20 days before Kapil Dev won the World Cup for India. So if your mathematics is right, so 40 years it has been. 5 years I'm out of the regular corporate world, but I still keep involved in the auto industry. And to me, auto industry is just not a profession, it's a home. Hundreds of dealers, friends, colleagues, and you meet them. And this industry has evolved, right from the time in '83, when I was in two-wheelers and then graduated to four-wheelers. I find the evolution is there, but certain principles still are common. Caring for the customer, caring for the dealer. You need to professionalize, but also not to finish anybody off. So how to do that collaborative approach, how that all the stakeholders work in a symphony, not in a cacophony, that's the objective. But I see young professionals much brighter, much younger. And I remember that song of Kabhi Kabhi, कल और आएंगे हमसे कुछ खुशियाँ मतलब कहने वाले, हमसे बेहतर कहने वाले, हमसे बेहतर सुनने वाले, तुमसे बेहतर. So that's what I am. So, and it gives me great pleasure. Two people are there with me. Pankaj, he's my role model for after-sales service. So whenever I wanted to understand my after-sales service concepts, so never used to be very sharp. Sales I had done. So Pankaj is my guru. And Mr. Pandey, there's no how he's reinvented himself from the time I met him. And he's serving society. So thanks very much being with you. And Anuj, you are always very dynamic young. How do you remain so young and dynamic? That itself is achievement. So we are part of the Mutual Admiration Society, not a WF. So that's okay. Thank you very much.